Good day everyone. My name is Swapnil Badane. Welcome back to another episode of Thoughtful Leader on Thoughts on Education presented by College Dunia. Today with us we have Mrs. Priyanka Bhatt, in charge of the Bhagwan Mahavir College of Nursing. Welcome to the College Dunia, ma'am.
Thank you.
Can you introduce yourself?
Myself, Miss Priyanka Bhatt. I'm in charge principal in the Bhagwan Mahavir College of Nursing and working from last 2 years in the Bhagwan Mahavir University.
Okay, ma'am. Moving ahead to next question. Being the principal of the Bhagwan Mahavir College of Nursing, what is the philosophy of leadership in nursing college?
Thank you for this question. As leader of the Bhagwan Mahavir College of Nursing or as in charge principal of Bhagwan Mahavir Nursing, I am a field of a nursing. So in nursing, we have to learn, and we already learned how to treat the patient. For that, we learn first find out the problems, then set the goals, then make the planning according to the goal, then implementation and intervention for the planning, and last is the evaluation. Like that only I use the leadership in my program. I first find out the problems of my college or make a task to complete it, then make a goal according to that, planning according to that, implementation according to that, and last I find out the result. If I don't get the result, recycle all the things. And for me, the philosophy of the leadership is a transparent. I mean, there is no any leader, no any teamwork. Both are together can make the program achievement.
Yes, ma'am. Nicely said. Next question. The education system in India and foreign countries are structured very different. In your experience, what you can introduce student gain from studying here Bhagwan Mahavir College of Nursing?
Okay, thank you for this question. Indian knowledge system is according to the traditional way, like theory, practical, learning, and internal evaluation, sectional examination, continuous examination, and then the result will come. But in the foreign country, they are based on the practical knowledge. A skill-based knowledge, simulation-based knowledge. They are not giving that much theoretical knowledge or force to the student for the result. I want to change, and we are changing as per the NEP 2020. According to the UGC, we are implementing more time period for the internship, for a practical knowledge to the student. And in the Bhagwan Mahavir College of Nursing, we introduce the internship 6 months. Then we are providing theory knowledge as well as practical knowledge in the special in the new civil hospital. And specifically, we are posting our student according to the specialty. Like we are providing medical surgical specialty, ortho specialty, heart, cardiac specialty, kidney specialty. So which knowledge or which theory they learn in the college or doing the practice in our lab, they are implementing into the industry area, in the say hospital area, and they are not only gain the knowledge only theoretical, but they also get the knowledge of the practical stimulus based training.
Yes, ma'am. As well as theory and practical, both knowledges are required. Yes. Moving ahead to next question. How does the curriculum of Bhagwan Mahavir College of Nursing ensure the industry's best practices?
Okay. According to the INC, we follow and we strictly adhere to the curriculum provided by the INC, the semester-based program. They are already mentioned the theory hours, practical hours, internship hours, skill lab hours, and we follow the INC curriculum because it is a need for the nation in all over the India. They are in the nursing field. They are using for the GNM program, post-basic program, and BSc nursing program. We follow the INC based curriculum.
Okay, ma'am. Next question. What are the roles and responsibility of the Bhagwan Mahavir College of Nursing and the students?
For me, it is a responsibility to well execute their curriculum, maintain their academic calendar, proper in time theory period I have to complete, then in time clinical period I have to complete. I have to give the best knowledge or best hospital. For that, in the Bhagwan Mahavir College of Nursing, we provided the clinical practice in the new civil hospital, the government's hospital, in which the all specialties come. So student get knowledge of the best practice or best practical training in the community, new civil hospital. Then we are providing the community based training. So in the community based training, we provided urban area posting and rural area posting. In urban area, we send our student to the Althana and the Panas, and for the rural area, we send the student to the Vans. In that, they are learn the theory and execute the practical in the various national programs like tuberculosis and malaria. They educate and giving the health education to rural people and motivate them. So that is my responsibility to give the best praise for the practice. And for the student, their responsibilities are they have to give me 100% attendance. They give me for the not only 100% attendance in the clinical as well as the theory classes. They can participate in the various program conducted by the Bhagwan Mahavir University, Bhagwan Mahavir College of Nursing and government as well. And they can after the clinical practice or the theory practice, their responsibility is to pass with the full marks.
Okay. Moving ahead, last question. What would you like to people know about the Bhagwan Mahavir College of Nursing? They may not know about that.
They don't know the eligibility to take the admission in the different courses. Like for the GNM, so many people are not knowing the criteria for take the admission. So I want to give the knowledge to that people. If you want to, if you already passed from the arts or the commerce, then after you have to comes under the curriculum of the science like a general nursing and midwifery. You can do. Then if you are passed your 12th from the science, you can take the admission in the basic BSc nursing. And if you are taking already did the GNM, there is also a chance for you to convert your diploma degree to degree, and that is the post basic BSc nursing.
Okay.
So there are eligibility criteria for the nursing program. So many people are not know, and so many people are not knowing there is a post basic and BSc nursing is already started in the Bhagwan Mahavir University. So we are running the courses GNM, post basic and BSc nursing program.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for sharing your thoughts on education.
Thank you.
And thank you for connecting with College Dunia.